Here's how you're going to boost your brand's engagement quickly. Gamification helps you boost engagement, lead generation, and average order value. Let's see a few types of gamification that can support your marketing efforts. A Catch Me If You Can game is a simple way to get website visitors to take special note of what's going on your website. At the end of your game, you can offer the player a small discount on their order, show them their score, or even share relevant, exciting facts about your campaign. This is a helpful tactic to get visitors to notice your campaigns and special offers. Typical pop-ups are easy to ignore, but a colorful, animated, familiar game like the Wheel of Fortune can persuade users to take action. Leaderboard games on your website help tap into people's competitive sites. When you use a game that displays specific results, customers are more likely to share these results with their friends on social media. For example, Volt, a European food delivery app, displays your overall Volt record while you're playing their game. If you liked the video, make sure to give us a follow.